coasted another direction. Soft place with full inflections, laid out in the fledgling daylight. I'm sitting still from your beating heart, thrilled quick then it falls apart. Trace flat in this melody, kept to fade into memory. I look down just to look away, light bulb with a field of fray, made soft and silk for a while. And this relapse leads straight through sunlight, with your one last look and then the rewrite. Face still holds affection, displaced for new directions, laid full in the sea of sunlight. I'm sitting still from your beating heart, not sure when the end's to start. You rolled off this remedy, made soft and silk for a while. This relapse leads straight through sunlight, with your one last laugh before the rewrite.